We live in the four-state area, which means a lot of times a Missouri resident gets in a wreck just across the border to Kansas, Oklahoma, or Arkansas. My office, we have attorneys licensed in all four states. I personally happen to be licensed in Missouri, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Kansas. And so if you're injured in any of those states, I can help you. But it's important to know that if you're in those states, you need to talk to an attorney who can help in that state, because every state's laws are slightly different. A car wreck case in Kansas is treated differently than one in Oklahoma or Arkansas and Missouri. Usually the law of the state where the injury happens is where that case will be brought. The problem, though, is your insurance coverages probably come from the state where you live. And so a lot of times it's important to have an attorney who's licensed in both states if you're going to be dealing with Missouri and Kansas, Kansas, Arkansas, Oklahoma, those kinds of things. Because you want to make sure that whoever your attorney is can handle those law issues in each state.